Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way you can see that we just create the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. Just hold for a while and drag it here to our device folder. By click here on the folder name, we can rename the folder. For example, enter the apps, click to done, and as you can see we just successfully renamed our device folder. And also, if you want, we can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it here, for example, on the down right corner. And also we can create the new screens as you can see with this folder. And just to remove some applications from here, or just all of them, we'll just go back with this folder here. You should hold for a while the app and drag this application here on your device home screen if you want to stay with this folder on the home screen, or also you can just click, hold for a while and drag all of these apps here, and by this way we can ungroup these applications and we'll remove this folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.